Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I have a little haul that I'm going to be sharing with all of you. I recently picked up a few new things. I picked up one item from Lululemon. I had to have this, and this is going to be great if you live in a cold climate like I do here in Ontario. This is adorable, and I had to have this in my collection. And then of course I went to Sephora and I picked up a few new beauty items. Now, some of the things that I purchased I've never tried before, can't wait to try them and test them out. And then of course there are a few things in here that I've used before that I needed to restock up on. So let's get right into it, but don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as well. So let's start with Lululemon first, since I only have one item to share, and this was an item that I had to have because I just thought it was so cute. These are the textured fleece gloves. So you can honestly dress these up and dress them down, and I have a jacket in this exact material and color, so I knew for sure that this was going to pair up nicely with it. But I also think that these would look good with parkas, with dressy coats, and if you're someone that likes to wear a sweater with a vest, I think that this would look really nice as well. I picked up the beige because this was the only color that they had at the time, and I was okay with that because I always gravitate towards beiges and neutrals like that, but recently they just came out with black. And I really like the black as well because I feel like you can dress that one up even more, and it is more dressy. So I don't know. I might consider purchasing it. I'm not sure yet. But for now, I'm very pleased with this one. They're very warm. They're very cozy. I did get it in the size extra small, and the next size is medium large. And I would say that these fit true to size. I still have a lot of room in the fingertips, and they're very flexible. And I love how there's that patch there where you can still go on your phone without removing your gloves. And there is an adjustable strap here if you want to tighten it up around the wrist. So again, I just had to have this, and I wanted to share it because I just thought that these were so cute. Moving on to my Sephora haul, the first product is by Amika, and this is the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Shampoo. Now, I love this brand. There hasn't been one product that I have disliked. Now, I haven't tried this yet, so I'm hoping that I'm going to like it because I was looking for a shampoo that is moisturizing enough for fall and winter, but also something that doesn't contain protein and keratin ingredients. Now, there's nothing wrong with those ingredients, but for me personally, I have overused shampoos and conditioners in the past that contained protein, and if your hair doesn't need it, sometimes it can do the reverse and it can make your hair feel dry and brittle, and sometimes you can experience breakage, and that's what I was experiencing. So as soon as I eliminated those shampoos and I started using shampoos and conditioners that didn't have protein, my hair improved a lot. And so I don't mind using protein shampoos and conditioners maybe once or twice a month, but I don't want an everyday shampoo that contains those ingredients. So this one doesn't have the protein. This also doesn't have keratin. This smells incredible, and I've been wanting to get my hands on this for quite some time, but this was always sold out online. I don't know if this was ever available on Sephora Canada. So recently I was at my local Sephora store and I saw this on the shelf, and I couldn't believe it, honestly. So I was really happy that I was able to finally get my hands on this. So please let me know if you've ever tried this. I would love to hear your feedback. I'm going to be testing this out tomorrow, and again, I have high hopes for this. So I had to pick up some more silk scrunchies, so I picked up another 3-pack of the brand Slip. I love these. These lasted a long time in my opinion. Yes, they do stretch out, and eventually you do have to purchase new ones, no different than any hair tie, but these are so gentle, and I haven't experienced breakage since using silk scrunchies, and these don't kink and crease the hair either. So if you're someone that likes to sleep with your hair up, then you need to invest in a silk or satin scrunchie, because when you wake up in the morning, your hair is not going to be creased like a regular hair tie. And these are just so comfortable as well. They don't pull on the hair. They're just so easy to use. So I had to pick up another box, and I do like the beige, black, and leopard print option because, of course, love those neutrals. They just go with so many things. So had to pick up another one because the ones that I have are so stretched out. So I picked up another shade in the Tower 28 Sunny Days Lightweight Foundation. I recently talked about this in my September favorites video, and I absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite foundations as of lately, and I'm just so impressed with how this wears on the skin and how my skin looks. It's very lightweight, but it gives a light coverage, but you can easily build it up to a medium coverage if you need to. This is not full coverage, so don't expect that with this because this is pretty sheer, but it just enhances your skin. It looks like your skin, but better because your skin still shines through. So very natural, and you have this nice radiance to your skin as well. This is also very moisturizing, so I think this is going to be lovely for fall and winter. And the color that I shared in my September favorites video was Mulholland, which is number 20. That one's perfect for when I am tanned, when I have a self-tan going on. But for the winter, I think I'm gonna have to drop down because I probably won't be self-tanning as much. So I picked up the shade 10, and this undertone is warm, and my skin naturally has a yellow warm undertone. So I think this shade is going to be perfect. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work. So if you haven't tried this brand yet, especially this product, I highly recommend it, especially if you're into lightweight foundations, something that looks really natural on the skin. And if you have tried this, I would love to hear your feedback below if you liked it, because honestly, I'm obsessed with this. I picked up another ILIA Limitless Lash Mascara. This is one of my holy grails. Like, I just absolutely love this mascara. It gives great length, it separates your lashes, it gives that nice individual look, and this is very easy to remove at the end of the day, which I believe is so important. There's nothing worse than a mascara that is so hard to remove, and also, I hate mascaras that give raccoon eyes. I don't get raccoon eyes with this. So if you have that issue as well, you need to pick this one up. Honestly, I feel like this also conditions my lashes as well. And this is just one of the best in my opinion. So I also picked up the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. Now I have two shades. I have Bare Glow and Rose Glow, and I wear them in almost all of my YouTube videos, but they just came out with a new color, and this is in Pink Glow, and I do have it on my lips today. Now my lips look more vibrant because I did pair this up with a lip liner, because I feel like if you just use this on its own, it's very, very sheer, which I do like. Sometimes I do like that look, but I do like to pair this up with a lip liner as well. And the lip liner that I'm using today is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and this pairs up so nicely with it. So if you haven't tried these yet, honestly, I highly recommend. There are so many shades to pick from. They're very moisturizing. I don't experience dryness with them. They're slightly plumping, so there is that cooling menthol sensation, which I really do like. And I really do love this new shade. So you guys know that I love my eye products. So I wanted to try the new Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. This has a lot of great ingredients like niacinamide. So this is an antioxidant, great if you have dark circles. This can also help to keep that moisture in as well to prevent transepidermal water loss. There's an encapsulated vitamin C, great to brighten up the skin, helping with those fine lines. There is caffeine, so this is great if you have puffiness, also great if you have dark circles, and there's also peptides in here as well. So I really wanted to try this. Of course, I will keep you posted how I like it in time. The packaging is super cute as well, and you are getting 15 mils, which is standard in an eye cream or an eye serum. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And the last product that I picked up is by Caudalie, and this is the Vino Pure kit. Now, I didn't necessarily want the kit, but it made the most sense because I went into Sephora wanting to purchase the Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Serum. Now, this serum alone is $59 Canadian, but this kit is $59. So I thought, why not go with the kit? It comes with a cleanser and a toner. I'm not sure if I will really use those. I will try them, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be consistent with them. But I've heard so many wonderful things in regards to this serum. Great for acne prone skin, great if you have blackheads, texture, oily skin, combination skin, and I really wanted to try this for myself because I still break out occasionally and I do get blackheads once in a while also. So I will keep you posted in time. Let me know if you've tried this. Honestly, I would love to hear your feedback on it. But yeah, I hope this works because I just love the Caudalie line and I've always wanted to try this. I will let you know in time how I do like the other products as well. So I will leave all of the products that I shared in today's video below for you for your reference. Thank you so much for watching. I always do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next one. Take care and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.